In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign. Duplicating a campaign is a great way to reuse a winning structure, test variations, or scale into new markets without rebuilding everything from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep things clear and efficient. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click the campaigns icon, then select campaigns. This takes you to the table where all of your campaigns are listed along with their key metrics. Now choose what you want to duplicate. Check the box next to the campaign you want to copy. If you're duplicating more than one at a time, you can select multiple checkboxes. As soon as you select a campaign, you'll notice a blue bar appear above the table. That bar confirms your selection and reveals the editing controls you'll need. From that blue bar, open the Edit drop-down menu and click Copy. You won't see anything change yet, but your campaign is now on the clipboard and ready to be pasted. Next, open the Edit drop-down again and choose Paste. This tells Google Ads you want to create a duplicate of whatever you just copied. Right after you do this, a Paste Campaigns window will pop up. In the Paste Campaigns window, review the options presented. If you're using a manager account, there will be a field that lets you choose exactly which linked account you want to paste the campaign into. This is helpful if you manage multiple brands or regions and want to reuse the same setup across accounts. Make sure the destination is correct before you continue. When everything looks right, click Paste. Google Ads will begin creating the duplicate using the original campaign structure, including its settings, ads, and ad groups. Give it a moment and then look back at the campaigns table. Your new campaign will appear alongside the original. A few quick pointers as you wrap up. After the paste, consider renaming the new campaign so it's easy to identify at a glance. It's also wise to review key settings like budget, locations, languages, bid strategy, and start and end dates to ensure they match your goal for the duplicate. If you're using tracking templates or assets, double check that they carry over as intended. And if you're testing, change only one or two variables so you can clearly measure impact. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a Google Ads campaign quickly and cleanly, and you're ready to fine tune it for your next objective.